Hi, Paul O'Connor here from OEM Audio. Large vehicles like Toyota HiAce vans, where rear and side visibility can be limited, often come with a 360-degree camera system. The problem has been that the camera system won't integrate with an aftermarket car stereo. We have developed the Module 360, a Toyota HiAce camera connection adapter which works with our Lumina Audio BTN-series of car stereos. This means that you can upgrade to a better quality multimedia unit with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto if you want, and access to all the screens from your camera system. You can buy the Module 360 online at oemaudio.co.nz or call us for a chat 0508 636 283.